Hey everyone, welcome back to DataLogix Club Data Analytics with Tableau. In the last episode, we took our very first step into Tableau, understood what Tableau is and why it is used by top companies, and also navigated through the interface. The reference link would be above in the info tab. Today, we are taking things a level deeper. Before you make any chart, Tableau needs to understand your data, where it's coming from, what each column means, and how it should be used. So, in this episode, we are going to walk through how to connect your data, what those little icons next to your field really mean, and how to do some basic cleanup so your analysis start off strong. Let's start at the very beginning, bringing data into Tableau. The nice thing is Tableau is pretty flexible. You can pull data from Excel, Google Sheet, databases like MySQL or SQL Server, or even connect live to cloud sources. For now, let's keep it simple. Click on Connect to Data and choose your source. I'm selecting an Excel file for this example. As soon as it opens, Tableau shows you all the sheets inside that file. The entire screen is called the data source page. Think of it like a prep table in a kitchen. Everything comes here first before you start cooking. Just drag your sheet into the workspace below, and instantly Tableau gives you a preview. You can see your columns, values, and how everything is arranged. This quick look tells you if your data is ready to go or if it needs a little cleanup. On the left side, you will see every column listed as field, and next to each one, there is a small icon. These icons are more important than most beginners realize. Tableau uses them to understand what kind of data you are working with. If you see an hashtag, that's a number. If you see an ABC, that's text. A calendar icon means dates and times. And if you spot a little globe, that's geographic data like country names, cities, or states. Why does it matter though? Because the data type controls what Tableau can do with that fields. Data behave differently from numbers, geographical field unlock, map visuals. Text fields usually act as tables and categories, while numbers become the values that builds your charts. A simple rule to remember, text field usually become dimensions and number often becomes measures. Dimensions slice your data, while measures give you something to measure. Getting this right is the backbone of clean, accurate visuals. Before jumping straight into dashboards, spending a few minutes cleaning your data will save you a lot of frustration later. Start by checking your field names. If something looks messy, like cust ID or sales amount, give it a more readable name. Change cust ID to customer ID so you don't have to think twice when building charts. Next, look for columns you don't need. Every dataset has a field. Tables, codes, extra identifiers, they all add clutter. You can simply right click and hide them. They are still in background but out of your way. If your data is spread across multiple sheets or tables, you can merge or join them right here. Tableau shows the relationship visually, so it's easy to see how they connect. And if you only want a portion of the data, maybe a specific year or category, you can apply a filter right here from the data source page. This helps reduce noise and keep your workbook lighter and faster. These little touches might feel basic, but they make a huge difference. Clean data leads to cleaner insights, and your future self will thank you. So that's the foundation. Connecting your data, recognizing its types, and giving it a quick cleanup before you start analyzing. Once you get comfortable with this, you'll find that building dashboards becomes much smoother. In the next episode, we'll finally jump into the fun part, creating visuals. We'll try out bar charts, line graphs, maps, and few more tools that help your data actually tell a story. So stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe and follow along. Episode 3 is where things really start to come alive.